Well, hey guys, I'm glad you made it back. Today I'm going to make ham and cheese omelet. Pretty simple, scrambled eggs, so to speak, cheese and ham. But what I do with the ham, I kind of cook it just a little bit, kind of warm it up in butter. So let's get started. I'm going to put that on low for now. I'm going to put this one here on high for a little bit. I'm going to put a little butter. We're going to put some butter in the front here. We're going to crack our eggs. Okay, we're going to whisk them up now. I kind of make it into a French omelet, and what makes it French is you use a lot of butter, but you use a whisk and you really whisk it really good to where the egg isn't lumpy. It's real watery when you whisk it. So I guess it's a French ham and cheese omelet. Okay, so our butter's getting hot here, so we're gonna warm up our ham. You can turn that down now to low, because we don't want to cook it, we just want to warm it up. I think it's gonna need a little bit more butter. Of course, we're gonna need a little more butter here too. You want your egg, when you're cooking it, like a medium-high heat. These are all the ingredients you use, but for me, I just put a couple of drops of steak sauce, just because you got it, you know? Not too much. Kind of ups your game a little bit. Okay. You can see how the butter is kind of bubbling a little bit. You're getting really close. Okay, and all we're doing now is just kind of, wherever it's wet, just kind of make a hole, and of course the egg fills it in, or that's not cooked. Let's get a plate right here. We can go ahead and turn off our ham now. Look at that, it's nice and juicy and buttery. And just a hint of steak sauce. Okay, this egg looks like it's getting there. So we can go ahead and put our ham. And usually what I do is I try to keep it on one side of you can see here, if you divide it, one side of it is being filled. Now as far as the cheese goes, of course I want it on one side. But I do want it melted too. So you can see how it's already cooked out here. That's when you know it's ready. So we're just going to give it a couple more seconds to get, you know, the bottom side a little golden brown a little bit. And I think we're just about ready. So hopefully you can see this as I plate it. Now we're ready to plate it. So we just take it, and what you do is where it's round here, you want to follow that round, and if you want, you can help it just a little bit. Don't push it too much. Let it fall in there by itself. Okay, and just when you're at the halfway point like that, turn your pan over and work straight up. There you go. There you go. Doesn't that look delicious? Look at that.